In our experience, the key to really good AI-generated writing is to provide the AI with robust tone-of-voice instructions. Within DXPR Builder, you have the option to choose your preferred AI provider. The DXPR AI backend is compatible with Anthropic's Claude, OpenAI's ChatGPT, Mistral AI, Google Gemini, as well as XAI's Grok. You can rearrange these providers based on which brand you favor or which one you trust with your data. However, when it comes to the quality of the writing, it's crucial to focus on a strong tone of voice template rather than just picking a provider you like. That's why we created this free online tool. In the analysis step, you can begin by simply adding your website. It's even better if you can upload marketing assets, especially if you have buyer persona PDFs or user archetypes. Our software will analyze these documents and create individualized templates for your personas. For now, I'll just input the website so we can proceed. These tone-of-voice templates provide more than just direction on the AI's tone. They also educate the AI on what your business is about. They help define your business activities and identify who you do business with. This is reviewed through a series of questionnaires presented in the next steps. These questionnaires are pre-filled based on the analyzed data, so you just need to review them for accuracy. Defining your target audience is crucial. Checking these elements will yield individual tone-of-voice templates tailored to these audiences. You will also consider business goals, priorities, and communication challenges. Just the basics. What is your unique value proposition? This looks perfect so far. Everything seems fine. In the final step, depending on the amount of data you've allowed the AI to process, generating your tone-of-voice templates might take some time. Meanwhile, let's explore how these templates are used in the product. Tone-of-voice templates are organized in Drupal taxonomies. Here's a list of my tone-of-voice templates. Each template follows a consistent structure backed by our research. They comprise 3 distinct sections. The Write Like This section is prescriptive, stating clear, general stylistic guidelines. The Think Like Them section is empathetic, focusing on the target audience and guiding the AI to consider this audience when creating content. The final section, Follow These Guidelines, is more technical. It involves fine-tuning the AI's voice and personality. We aim for a unique voice, distinct from providers like Claude or ChatGPT. We adjust certain parameters in the language model to achieve our desired tone. As generation continues, let's review some templates. Here, we blend professionalism with approachability. We employ a moderately persuasive style, utilizing effective techniques and strong arguments. Now, let's examine a different template, like the documentation template. This template is shorter and simpler, with distinct technical instructions. It directs the AI to use minimal marketing language, focusing on essential persuasive elements with basic support. Maintain a clear, instructional tone, offering step-by-step guidance and incorporating visuals where necessary. This approach is ideal for documentation. In the UI, the tone of voice is integrated in both DXPR Builder and the text editor. In the text editor, you select it from a drop-down menu, like setting it to newsletters. Within the DXPR Builder, an AI settings modal window shows several settings. I've now set tone of voice to documentation, reflecting this change. The text editor plugin is an open-source CKEditor 5 plugin we've developed and released as a Drupal module. Even if DXPR isn't your platform, you can utilize the CKEditor AI engine module within Drupal CKEditor. The same options are available in the page builder. Here we are with 14 tone of voice templates available, including a default template. Here's a set of audience-specific tone of voice templates. Next, a set of channel-specific templates is presented. You can copy these templates and create taxonomies on your own site, with the ability to edit them as needed. Feel free to use these templates as you see fit. That's the secret to achieving high-quality output with generative AI, whether for emails, social media posts in our DXPR CMS, or for creating landing pages and intricate web content.